Hi Shakbhai,
Yes.
how are you?
Yeah, I am fine, and we met again. And what do you want to discuss today?
Yeah, and we have taken many subjects till this time.
Yeah.
Now I supposed to take another very important topic,
Yeah.
and the importance of believe in God.
Believe in God.
Are you
Okay.
interested?
Yeah, I am interested, but I didn't
Okay.
prepare. But we can try.
Okay, let's
Yeah.
try.
Yeah.
Then I am a believer, and I understand that you are a strong believer.
Yeah.
And the most of the people are believe in God, and God conceptions is very different from a person to person. It's a subjective, but anyway, most of the people they are believing in a superpower. Then we talking about the how the God's the presence or the God's help to interfere in our life. And I asking you, Shagut Bhai, and in your life experiences, and you are as a believer, and how do you see observe the God's presence or God's belief?
Okay. Okay. First of all, I want to tell you, I was born in a religious family. My parents taught me God, believe in God. But not only that, when I became adult, that time I deeply learned religion. That time I understood in this universal need a creator. Without a creator, we can't see anything in the world.
Well,
For example, we are using mobile
yeah. Our
phone.
world in our universe.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, we we use mobile phone. Mobile phone also need a company. Without a company, we will not get a mobile phone.
Yeah.
And everything same.
Yeah.
And another matter, if we believe God, we understand all the thing facility we get from God. We get money, job opportunities,
Sure. Sure.
and business success. Everything we get from God, and we get children. Everything we get from God.
Yes.
So, when we get facilities in our life, that time we show gratitude to God.
God. Yeah.
We ready to show gratitude to God, and we ready to help other poor people also.
Yes.
There we don't consider they are believers or not believers,
Yeah.
because we ready to help them, because we 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 are considering complete people are human being, and God created the human being and other thing, all the things in the world. That's why when we get enough facility, we are ready to help other people, and other animals also we ready to help.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. And a believer, for a believer, and he doesn't discriminate between the among the people,
Yes.
because every creatures, even the animals, the birds, all things, and
Yeah.
they consider it a very kind heart.
Yes.
So then then we can understand that all the charity works here
Yeah.
by the guidelines of the creature, God believers. But others is going on here, no
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah.
It's we can understand that. But for a believer, and he very strongly consider the other the human being on other creatures. So that is the inbuilt in a believer.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, and other point, if we believe God, we can easily avoid bad things in our life. Because if we try to do any bad things, if we try to think any bad things, that time also we think, yeah, if I do any bad things, God will see. God can see all the world. God doesn't have any secret. That's why if we try to do any bad things, God can understand, God can see. That's why we afraid to do bad things in our life. We ready to keep good deeds in our life because we fear God.
okay.
That's another matter. And I told you, sometimes we get very bad experience. Maybe we lose very valuable things in our life. In maybe our children also, maybe sometimes they
They lost.
will they lose, they will die. That time also we think, if we believe God, we think God give us everything. So sometimes God take it some early. We can keep patience.
Yes,
Whatever loss we get, that time also we can keep patience if we believe in God.
that's very important because and how does the God interfere in our life? That's very important. And as you said, in our very hard situations, in whatever the crisis, and we have a God to depending. That's a very strong relief for us.
Yes.
We know many persons they had not the strong belief they lost their confidence and
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
state of mind.
Yeah.
So then in our life and in many situations the God's presence, God's help we feel in personally. So
Yeah.
the in my person in
Yes.
personal life I can say that. And I ask you Shaukat bhai, in your life experiences till this time, and how the God's interference you feel in
Okay,
the
okay. Yeah, if I struggle any situation, how God interfere in my life? Your question that. Okay, I struggled more in my life. That time also, whenever I struggle in my life, that time I pray to God. Most of the time I get answer, and I can overcome my struggling situation because I entrust God. Any bad situation I face, I entrust God. That time I get confidence in my life and I can survive all the bad situation. And another matter, we get discipline also in our life. We are Muslim people. We keep 5 time Salah prayer in our life. So we have to wake up early morning. Then we prayer Subahi.
Yes.
So all the Muslim adult people have compulsory to wake up very early morning. It's a discipline.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, and other 4 time also we keep prayer in our life. That time we get a discipline.
Yes, yes, sure.
And
sure.
1 month in a year we have fasting. That time also we get a discipline, and we can understand because if we have enough money, we get all the food from, we can prepare food. Otherwise we can eat outside food. But in Ramzan month daytime we can't eat food. That time we can understand other poor people hungry. This kind of
hungry,
problem we
they're-
can understand.
yes.
So this kind of discipline also we will get in our life if we believe God. Yeah.
Yes, that's a very important point because
Yeah.
as a believer, and we have to our behavior, our character, the interference with the society, everything is should be very role model should be.
Yes.
Yeah. Then and we know the many problems they're creating in our society with the sake of the religion.
Yeah.
But we say that the religion should be a relief for everyone,
Everyone.
and for the world.
Yeah.
So otherwise, and to make the friendship, make the harmony, make the religious very the good atmosphere. That's very important.
Yeah.
So and every believer should be very kind to all
Yes.
the persons.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
you are.
very important.
Yeah, you are very good. You told a very good point because we cannot harass other people.
Yes.
Because when we try to harass other people and when we try to cheat other people, that time we have fear God. If I harass other people, if I cheat other people, God punish me.
Yes, yes,
I
yes,
believe that.
yes, yes.
You also believe that.
Sure, sure.
That's why believers can keep patience and honesty, all the
Honesty.
good quality we can
Oh yes,
keep
all
in
the
our
values,
life.
all the values
Yeah.
we should keep.
Yes, yeah,
That's to make, that's to bring the peace and the harmony to our the society.
Society. Yeah.
And,
And because I think if we don't believe strongly God, that time if we face any very big loss in our life, that time maybe we will happen depression or any other illness, or we will do suicide also.
yes, yes.
So if we believe very strongly God, we can keep patience and we can get very confidence, courage, everything, all the good quality we get in our life.
Yes, yes, sure,
Yeah.
sure. All the values then in this context we
Yes,
can
sir.
say that.
But I will tell you one matter. If other people follow atheism or any unbelief,
yeah,
no problem.
no problem.
Yeah,
Yeah, and
but yeah. I socialize all the people with
Yes,
very
yes,
kindly because God taught us
the
that.
first we want
Yeah.
the peaceful society and
Yes.
all the
Yeah.
the respecting others and
Yeah.
respecting the other belief
Yeah.
system and this the eco system should be maintained here, and the all every believers the role and their aim should
Yes,
be that.
yes,
So that's
yes,
our
yes, yes.
message.
Yeah, yeah.
That's our we will talk
And
to
we believe in God very strongly. That's why we teach our children also good lessons, because we tell them you keep honesty, kindness, and generosity and charity mindset. Everything you keep in your life, because otherwise God will punish you. We tell to our children. At
Yes,
that time,
yes.
our children also will get good behavior in their
Yes,
life.
in their childhood,
Yeah.
from the childhood itself, they should
They-
get
they will also
all the
get a good
values.
lesson.
Yeah, yes,
Yeah.
all the values and the teachings from the
Yes, yes.
home itself.
Yeah.
Anyway, I
Yeah,
think it's a very good talk.
It was
today.
also very good topic.
Talk.
Yeah, okay.
And
Yeah.
let's meet the next time.
Okay, okay. Thank you
And,
so much.
God bless you.
Yes, sir, bye. Okay, God bless you too.